What's up, YouTube and the world? It's Anthony from Monarchy Cineminson. I'm 49. I feel strong as a bull. I go. I work hands-on all day long. And the moral to the story is I had a little dance with death. I was doing a job dealing with insulation on a firewall on my son's Jeep, changing the EGR valve in the back. Everything was, rusted out and seized. It would have been easier to just take the friggin' transmission out to work on that. But anyway, and a matter of fact is I had a transmission done the week before. I asked them to change the EGR while I was out because it would have been that much easier to do it on a 230,000 mile Jeep Wrangler. Nevertheless, I'm shoving my arms up there. There's no bolt heads left on the 8mm. The transmission dipstick tube was pinned behind a bolt. So, I think it paid 2.1 hours to do that job anyway. I did it in less time, but, it really took a toll on my forearms with grease and oil and God knows what else was in the firewall insulation that irritated my skin. I got some pimples on there. I popped a couple. 2 got infected. Then I got abscess, and that was like a week later, and I thought I was a tough guy eating Motrin to kill the pain. Went to the doctors. They cut them open, drained them, gave me more Motrin. I was eating them like Tic Tacs and caused an internal GI bleed. So, if you guys are tough guys like me, don't wait it out. Go to the hospital. Let them see what's going on. I had 4 blood transfusions to get myself back together, IV antibiotics and all that other shit. So I'm feeling good. I'm okay. I'll be back to work. Get you guys some more videos.